If you need more and easy and quick and delicious recipe, just channel, please click the red button. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. This is the my cooking channel. Its name is Cooking Hearty Food Recipes with Yasmin. So today I am tell you guys I'm so happy. It's my son's came right now and then tell me his birthday today. That's why he sent me so happy you say to on your channel name my son's birthday today. So enjoy this recipe. I hope this recipe you like it, and I hope you guys have you like. Please comment below. Thank you so much. Keep watching for next video. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing for you guys very special and very easy and very quick recipes. This recipe's name is kofta curry. Yes, the kofta curry. This is, you can call meatball curry. So this one I'm making in the beef. You can make this recipe in the chicken, ground flour chicken keema, and you can make is the for mutton. I'm making the beef. I have this is 2 kg of beef, ground beef like that, and also I using for the, and I tell you guys, I will show you guys step by step. So this 3-4 steps. So please watching the video full if you wanted your recipe very good and very perfect. So I get 1 medium onion. I just cut slices like this, and 1 bunch of coriander and some leaf of mint, and I have 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and I have some spices I told you guys. And this one because I want to show you guys it's just meatball, then next we making the curry. So I show you guys step by step. This is needed for 3-4 steps. So this is spices I'm adding right now: half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some taste of salt. This is 1/4 teaspoon of, and 1 teaspoon of I have kofta curry powder. And this masala I have mixed it with the coriander, dry coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and 2 dry chilies, and some of dry methi. It's coming on the you see ingredients. I put it on the you can reading on there. This masala, if you want to see it, if you want how to make this one, you can see the recipe is beef masala recipe. So it's coming link on it, so you can see in there how I made this one. And I need for 4 teaspoon of ground flour. So let's get how to make that. So first I need for the chopper. This one chopper, I get it. 1 second. This is a chopper needed. I put everything inside over here. These things. Putting inside, show you guys. You can see I putting inside everything is onion and ginger paste, garlic paste, coriander seeds, coriander, some bunch of coriander and mint, and I adding 1 green chili. So now I'm mixture. Just first me make this mixture, then after adding other things I'll show you guys. First I make this paste. I tell you guys, we don't need make a paste, we need chop like that all the ingredients. Now I'm putting the inside the ground beef. But just put in the ground beef. You can use just making this chopper and put in the separate bowl pot. So put it inside and mix it with your hand. But I'm doing like this because it's a very good mixing like that. Now I'm adding the spices inside and the this ground flour. So first I'm adding, then I'll show you guys. So you guys see I'm putting everything inside now. So what I do, I blend it now. Again, we have to mix together. Very easy to like that. After mixing it done, then I show you guys. You guys see it how good mixed right now. Look at that. Sometimes we use it with the hand, so we not perfect mixing. So like that is good. If you guys did not have like this, you can use the hand too. So now I'm taking out in this bowl. So you guys see this is how it looks. It's very good mixing right now. So now we making the how much size we need for the meatballs, as you can call kofta. It's kofta curry, but you can call meatball too. So I show you guys how much size is your depend on you. You want to make medium, small, large. It depend on you. So how much size I'm making, I told you guys is like usually I be making. So I'll show you guys. I'm making right now I need some oil. You can use the water too, but the oil is with you use it with the oil, so it's not stuck on your hand. So you need one plate. So I mix it your size. This is I have big spoon now, like small, like I've been eating food spoons. This is a little bit big, so I just make sure your size. How much I need one size like this much. So I little bit putting the oil on it in my hand like this. Look like this. Very nicely like this. So we making all them like that. You can see it. Press it very like now very harder, now very slowly. So look this. So we have the making like this. I tell you guys already size. So I'm making this sizes all of them. When I'm done with all of them, I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm making all of them like that. All of them done. I just want to give you guys tips. Just why I get it this one. So if you want to be a perfect size, so this one I think is a good size. This is the 1 teaspoon. This is big spoon. Just get it one. So have you just get it like that. So some big, some small, like same like me. How much I'll put it like this. This is the good size. I think this is the perfect size. So all same size. So do like this. So keep do like this. Very easy to make it like this. So look at that. So you guys see it, very perfect. This is this I give you guys tip. So this one I have done. You guys see it, all of them. So this one is step one is done now. Step two, this is depend on you. You want to fry or you want to make it like this, but I make it a little bit fry because it's perfect and easy and very good taste for that. So I'm a little bit making fry. Then after I show you guys, I'll tell you guys this is it. If you want, if Ramzan, this one is save time. So this like this making and put it in the freezer. So you can take it out and just make gravy and masala. Just put it inside. This is very good for if you have short time. So and then you make fry and tell you guys how to do it. For fry, I get it the fry pan. I get it one oil, like some of like how much we need for this fry. You can see it in the next. So we know money like cook. You just like little bit, and is the color is golden brown. So it's looking very delicious. So we don't want to like make oil so hot. Just little bit warm. Then I'm putting inside. So I'll show you guys. So you guys can see just little bit warm, not too hot. So slow to medium. So we put it like that. Just put like this already. So you guys see I'm putting inside. So we don't want to cook. We just do the color golden. So that's what I'm doing. And the slow gas, not too high, not too slow. So just like maybe 5 minutes, 2-3 minutes on one side, 2-3 minutes on the other side. So just flip it. I show you guys. One side is done. So you guys are just checking in this side is done right now with the fork. So we flip like this because we don't want to cook. We just do the color golden. So I like the taste and color like that. So look that. So all of them done like this. So I'll show you guys. Like this is done now. So I don't want to cook. I tell you guys, I'm going to take it out like this. So take it out like this. All of them will put over here. So then I'll show you guys. So you guys can see this. Look that this is not break it. Just make the color brown. So that's what I'm going to no cook. So just 5 minutes for both sides. Have you? Some people are putting adding in the yogurt inside. You adding the yogurt. So make sure this is break. Then I'm not using. If you want to use it, it's depend on you. So like this, you make cold, and then you want to make the frozen, so you can use like 3 to 2 weeks. This will make frozen, so then you're going to take it out and then bake the curry, so then putting inside. So this is save time and easy for you. So this is step 2. Once step 1 is the just making this. So this is step 2, and I give you guys tips. If you fry and making like this, it got very good delicious taste and very good color. So one step is done, the 2 steps are done now. So now we go 3rd steps. So put aside this one now. So I'm talking about this oil. This is oil now wasting. This is same oil making the masala. So next step, you guys see me, I take the fry pan pot, which part making the food. So get it, that one. So this is the same oil which one I'm using for the kofta fry. So the same oil I'm not wasted, I'm just using same one. So this is the 1 cup of oil. Any brand oil you're using, this is depend on you which one you're using. So I'm adding is this is the garam masala inside. So I'll show you guys which one is that, how much this is. This is 2 green cardamom, 1 is black cardamom, and the 4 is 4 sticks of black pepper, 1 small sticks of cinnamon, half teaspoon of is cumin seeds. Just putting inside. Slow to medium gas is open. Slow to medium gas is open. So you guys, camera is moving. So next step I'll show you guys. So gas is open, it's cooking now. So next step I'm showing you guys. I have homemade yogurt. So you want to see the yogurt recipes coming on the link, so you can go see it. And I have 1 fried onions, 1 large fried onions. If you guys have not fried well like this, so you can fry yourself and then put in the blender. So I blended this one. I need half cup of yogurt, not it's all of them. So I'll show you guys. You can see I just putting and adding in 1 half cup. So look, it is a very good yogurt. When you see the recipe on my link, my channel, so just a link coming on. It's very good and very thinking. So look at that, so much yogurt. So I'm adding the onion inside. So mixture together. See. So my paste is done now. So now I'm adding inside the and this is warm now. Alright, so I'm adding inside the ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. So cooking in 1 minute. So 1 minute is done. You guys see this is the paste which one I'm making. I'm adding inside now. If you cook like this, it's very good in gravy. Gravy. So same is mixture. I'm putting the inside tomato. I make paste because it's not going to paste this inside. So 2 large tomato. So I get it for that. So this one is cooking. I make the tomato paste. Then I show you guys after 5 minutes. This cook like that. After 5 minutes, you guys see this is look like this. It is I'm making the paste onion and yogurt with garlic, ginger paste, and this is it look like this now. So now I'm adding inside the spices. So I tell you guys, I have these spices inside of here. I'm not adding more, like so much spices. So this one I have 3 teaspoon of kofta masala. If you guys will not have kofta masala, so you can use just half teaspoon of you guys see I'm putting inside the material inside the ground beef, the masala, the same masala you have to put in half over here, half over there. So the same one is like red chili powder, turmeric powder, and after is the salt to taste. So this masala I'm making, this one is very good for curry. Any recipes you make the curry, this is masala so good, delicious. This is a green, is a red chili, dry chili, and this is the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and some dry methi is coming on the ingredient. This is masala. Every time making this is very good, very delicious taste for that. So I'm adding with this. So if you guys know have the kofta masala, so you can I tell you guys which one to put in the same taste like this. So I have, that's what I'm putting inside. So now I'm putting spices. So just do like this, and then adding the tomato paste. Just 1 minute cook. So 1 minute is done now. I'm adding the I tell you guys I make the tomato paste, 2 large tomato. Tomato paste are adding inside. So now we have to cook very good. Like this. It's very easy and very quick, so delicious. So this is, you have to make a gravy like this. If you have this is a meatball, this is, you can call the kofta, curry kofta. So you can make it like this and put it in the freezer before, when you're making, just 1 hour before you take it out, defrost. Just make it curry masala like this and adding inside, save time for in Ramzan. So I'm just adding, I'll cook it like 5 minutes, and I'm showing you guys after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it look like this. Look, that oil coming up, so it means it's cooked very enough. So what I'm doing next now, I am making the slow to medium gas. So I'm adding this the kofta meatball inside now. So make sure we have to cook with the masala like this, curry like this one, so it's cooked together, so a good taste then. So I'm adding all of them, then I'm show you guys. You can see it, I'm putting all of them. Now I'm not using a spoon, because I'm using a spoon like this, this is break it. So what I'm doing, I hold together this one, do the 2 hands like this, so just little bit like this. I have any those move around, so do like this, just like this. So not too high gas, not too slow, slow to medium. Cook the one side 5 minutes, another side 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes I'm showing you guys. So look at how delicious. I want to show you guys now using the spoon inside because it's broken. So you just hold it 2 hands like this, both together, just little bit, slowly, now like this. So look that. So you know, break it like this. It's done now. So I'm adding in the water. Fast, I show you guys. Look at that. So this point, you guys see the water coming out. There's the oil coming up. This almost is 10 minutes done now. After I'm putting this meatball kofta curry inside, you can call this kofta curry, you can call the fry kofta, you can call it korma. It's so delicious. So now I'm adding in the water. So at this point you check if you want to put more spices, you can add in salt, and you can add in the red pepper. So at this point you do it. If you guys know like spices too much, you can, it's like how much you need to just add it. So same procedure I'm doing it, it's same thing, do it. So it's good. It's very perfect cook like that. So now I'm adding in the water. How much you need for raw curry, this doesn't depend on you. So now I'm adding in the water. 1 glass pasta I'm doing. So very carefully I put this spoon inside, very carefully. Not like, because we don't want to break it out. Very carefully. So 1 is not enough, I need more. So I'm adding this as putting the 2.5 glass of water. So 1 is now water is coming out. Before putting inside another top up. No, I'm top up after this one with water boil coming out. So look at that. So delicious, so delicious. I'm doing very carefully because I don't want to break it. So you know, you have to see it not cook down on the floor. So I think this boil is coming out, so I'll show you. When the boil coming, then I'm show you guys. So you guys see this one is boil's coming up. So now I'm cover up like 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll just take it out the top and just put a spoon in like a mixer. Then again I do the more 5 minutes. So 5 minutes we have fry, in the 10 minutes we just do the thing. So now after 10 minutes, the 10 minutes we cover up, so 25 minutes be done. Perfect, easy time. So I'm just low to medium, not too high, not too slow. 10 minutes, after 10 minutes I'll show you guys. After 10 minutes it's looking like that. So this point is depend on you need how much gravy you need. So look at this. So now I'm open the top. So it's almost cooked. I need the just more, little bit more, like 5 minutes more. Take it out the top, just cook like this in 5 minutes more. So look at this. Wow, it's so yummy, delicious. So now I'm cooking like 5 minutes more, little bit high gas. So after I'm showing you guys, it's almost cooked and it's almost done now. So look how much gravy, this looks so delicious. You can eat with chapati, with white rice. If you need the white rice recipe is coming up the link, you can see that. So now I'm making over there. So if you want to see the recipe, so on the link coming. So with chapati, with naan, with bread, and with the rice. This depends on you. After 5 minutes, I'll show you guys. Well, you guys, I have just some of blender I'm just putting right now inside, so it's more tasty, more look good. So some of is Julia cut ginger, some green chili. So this tastes coming good. So it's just pink rounds like this. Look delicious. So after 5 minutes, I'm sure you guys. It depends on you. Just close right now because the gravy is look good with that. So after 2 to 3 minutes, I'm showing my family, YouTuber families. So it's done right now. So I just put in the dish out right now inside the bowl. So show you guys, very good, and this is perfect. After I put it on the bowl. So now I'm dish out this one. It's done now. When you're done dish out, I'll show you guys. And YouTube family. I'm done with the dish out right now, so now I'm sprinkle again. This one is the dry chili, red dry chili, and some of Julia got ginger, some of green chili. So it looks so delicious. So this one is recipe is done now. So finally, not taking so long. You guys see this. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you are subscriber, you are subscriber already, so thank you so much.